Hi, everybody. We're here at Spinatomy Van Nuys with one of our patients, Duby, who is here after a very long time. When he first came in, he had severe disc degeneration, herniated disc, pinched nerve. He couldn't stand for too long. Also had a fracture in his back, a Paris fracture. But he was looking at surgery. That's what they recommended. But we started a whole treatment, and here we are.
Like she mentioned, Dr. Rozenberg, long story. My brother actually found her. I was really left with the option to only do surgery. I guess that was all I was knowledgeable of at the time. And my brother, who actually lives in Atlanta, he did some research and was just Googling people. And, we came across Spinatomy, this amazing establishment. And they took me in with open arms and was very detail oriented. And when I came here, I was having bad back pain, nerve pinch, shooting pain down to my leg. Even me standing here talking to you guys right now, I would start feeling comfortable within like 5 minutes, right? So I'm just grateful for the opportunity to work with them. She's amazing. And each visit, I literally got better. When I would walk out of here, I felt better. And I just felt empowered because they just really took care of me.
So what do you think of Spinatomy, Duby? Would you recommend us to your friends and family and anybody that has back pain?
Absolutely, 10 out of 10. I have recommended already, so hopefully they take the recommendation. I'm sure they will, but this place is a 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend it. I feel better. I'm doing things that I couldn't have done before. I'm back playing, sports and back working out, things of that nature, and something I couldn't do prior to coming here. So 10 out of 10 for me.
Thank you. We're so happy to help you.
Absolutely.